Hi everyone! I have a children's book for you today. This is called My Body Is Mine. It was written by a dear past friend of mine named Margaret McCamick. Maggie died in a car accident, and her family had this published in her honor. She wrote it before she died, and she really wanted to get it published. It was written for the purpose of helping children recognize inappropriate sexual behavior and stopping or preventing it. So I'm going to read a little bit of this to you, but you should head over to hollydunaway.com to my bookstore and purchase it. And I'm going to read a little bit of it to you today. It's a really great book. So it's called My Body Is Mine. It's got some really great illustrations in it. This is my body. It belongs to me. My big, strong muscles help to run, dance, and see. Here's the second page. My body is mine. No one else should touch, unless mommy needs to wipe my butt or grandma gives me a great big hug. Those touches are okay. They make me feel good. A kiss on the cheek makes me smile like it should. But the world is not perfect. Some people are bad. They touch children in places that make them feel sad. Like private parts I use when I poop and pee. They are private for no one to see. If someone tries to touch me, I should say no. If I can run away, I should certainly go. Run somewhere safe. To an adult I can trust. It's scary to tell, but surely I must. Because my body is mine, and I deserve to be safe at home, at school, the park, and every place. If asked to touch someone else, the answer is still no. My body is mine, and it's my right to say so. Since I'm little, I don't always have might. A much bigger person might always win a fight. Even if I say no, I could get hurt anyway. But as soon as I can, I should run away. Not all games are meant for children to play. If someone touches me and makes me cry, I should tell a trusted adult why. If someone touches and says, "Don't tell," a secret like that is not worth keeping well. Letting someone know will make bad touches stop. Tell a parent, teacher, or doctor, or a cop. If touched in a private place or made to feel small, it's important to know it's not your fault at all. Because my body is my own, it belongs to me. No one else should touch. And that's how it should be. The end. Here's a picture of Maggie, guys. She was about my height, maybe 5'0", and she was an athlete, a chemist, an author. She was an incredible person, just so down to earth. And proceeds for this book go to her teenage son that she left behind. So go out and get My Body Is Mine. Thanks, guys.